plane we're flying on. Flying from gate 210. Hello, so we're on the plane now. Well, we set off in about an hour. With a horrible night's sleep at the hotel. It was awful. Not the hotel's fault, mind. We got the train down. We arrived there about 8 o'clock last night. And the beds were fine, the room was fine, it was just warm, so we didn't get much sleep. So it was quite a rough night, to be fair. But we checked in as of this morning. We're not all sitting together. I don't quite know what's happening with that. I don't know where I'm sitting yet either. I think I might have to move yet. But the kids are just in the row in front with Nicola. But yeah, we're here now and we are going to Florida. Can't absolute wait. It's so excited. It's been like 2 years of saving and working hard, so it's going to be really good. We've got tickets booked for Mickey Mouse's Not So Scary Halloween Christmas Pie. Not So Scary Halloween Pie, sorry. That's next week. Just sitting on the runway at the minute now. Don't know if you can see out the windows. Doesn't look like you can. Can you? There you go. So we're just on the runway at the minute now. People are still getting on the plane. It's fairly empty. I'll swing it around. Fairly empty. There's not many people here. We heard it might not even be a full flight, but we don't know about that yet. There's Nicola. Crab. Hello.
Hello.
All right.
There you.
Yeah. So more people are coming on the plane now, so I'll update again in a little while. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
I know you are.
I'm the most excited of us all.
Hey?
I'm the most excited of us all.
The most excited of everyone, huh?
Yeah.
So where are you? Mum and Dad are all there. And I'm on this one now. So we've got all our seats sorted now.
All animals. Mum put them in.
So let me set off. Right, Cody? Cody? Alright. Hello.
They don't know. I tend to work in vibrant. There's something joy.
Last year there was a 15-foot plane pulled out of that pond. Yeah. Not good, no. It's me like the gorilla. It's a big one, that mine, isn't it? Yeah.
See this? Is there anything?
Follow them.
Approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim B. Southwest, Virgin Atlantic, and Norwegian passengers proceed to baggage claim A. Remember, and other ground transportation options are on trouble.
Don't ever do that again.
Floor 1.
Don't start slamming the brakes on the front people, Alan. It's kind of behind you. Is that ours?
Yeah. Like it, isn't it?
Yeah. I was just telling Nicola last year we had a guy who helped us and he said there was a 15-foot alligator pulled out of that pond.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, it must have been in there a while to grow that big.
She said I hasn't walked there.
Well, they do walk, don't they?
Yes.
They walk for miles. So I suppose they could have come from somewhere. But it's a bit iffy when you've got planes around, isn't it? There was a bird on the runway, you know, when we came down, yeah.
Pure
Yeah.
wildlife banter this, isn't it?
Pardon?
There's pure wildlife banter this one.
Yeah.
But there's nothing we can do with so many bags in the car.
I remember going here last time.
What do we need to get?
Sugar.
Halloween cookies.
Folgers.
What's that?
Right, you get some.
Should I get the
Hi. No, I don't want
They look delicious. And so it begins.
Actually.
I know, I've got 15 now.
Yeah. This was a real big, full grown, wasn't it, Al?
Yeah, fine.
But it would never have got up that. I don't think it would ever have got up that ridge side.
It wouldn't. No chance.
I think we've got run over first.
In half a mile, turn right onto Florence Hill
Big home for photo.
Whoa.
It's the first look of the place.
This is a glory. Oh, it's private. What? Get it. What are these? What are these?
Oh, there's the pool.
Cody, well, off the door lock. Right, well, go find them. Just go and find them.
Turn left on US 26.
We're off to Walmart now.
Continue 2.3 miles to Walmart on right.
So this is our car. It's a Chrysler Pacifica. Very nice. This is where we're going. As we will do 20 times probably on this holiday. Multiple different ones. It's Walmart time. Time to get the groceries in. And the kids want some toys. Are you going to dab all the time on these videos? I'm going to have to edit the dabs out. Internet, children this generation. Ridiculous. Stop that crap. It's in your back of your head now.
Have you seen the size of that sandwiches?
So the deli sandwich. My hands are massive. Look at that bad boy. Ah. Stop doing that. I'm going to do you in. I'm probably going to do you in, me. Idiot. I'm just ignoring you now because you wound me up.
Oh, I just can't see that. That's my
I don't know what we're getting. Where's your dad gone?
Chef Boyardee overstuffed ravioli. See this on the old western stuff that we watch.
my daddy got the what? I still got a
You think that the camera can catch you there? It gets blurry when you start darting around.
Pancake and waffle.
What I keep saying or anyway.
Pancake and waffle.
Come on then, show me what you got then.
Oh,
Cody, show me what you got.
Hold on, how many have you got?
so that's £9.99.
Dollars, not
They're
pounds.
20.
Rent.
30, so that's at least $50 you've got there.
17. Is that too bad?
Yeah, pick them up then, don't leave them on the floor.
This is the best of here. Can you pick up them? Got
We've got so many.
one rent.
So we're all exhausted.
I'm
We've got 20
having
McDonald's. For a quick and convenient tea.
No. No.
So I got some beef jerky from Walmart. I got hickory smoked thick cut bacon jerky, sweet teriyaki. This is extra tender Jack Link's teriyaki. And then as I was leaving, I saw that one, so I'll do that one a crack as well. So people start to retire to the bedrooms, but we're just chilling out by the pool. There's Trav. Alright, Squire. Oh, you've gone all blurry. There he is. He's gone again. I can't seem to get it in focus on your face. It's scared you. There he is. There's my big boy. Don't pull that face. And there's the pool under the pool lights. It's a very nice house. Villa, sorry. Very nice. It's a Burnham Villa or something. Don't even hear the rumbling. The microphone might not pick it up, but there's fireworks from Disney going off now. You're getting lessons off the pool master.
No, that's not
Oh, we're struggling to stay focused here.